In today's digital world, social media has become one of the most widely adopted and effective marketing channels. It showcases who you are and what you do while making it easy for prospects to contact you. But if you want to win on social media, you need a lot of high-quality content. The type of content that marketing professionals spend hours creating every day. Introducing Chime Social Studio, the first fully automated social media management tool designed specifically for realtors. Simply connect your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn accounts with just a few clicks, and you're ready to start creating. Select pre-designed templates to showcase your listings, blogs, and landing pages, or create your own. Social Studio will automatically pull any integrated data like MLS listing photos, your written blogs, and information from your landing pages. Once you have your masterpiece created, either post it right away or schedule it for later. You can even have Social Studio auto-post when the MLS status changes on your listings, ensuring your clients and prospects are always updated. So, whether you have a new listing, closed sale, exciting blog post, or simply want to build awareness for your brand, Chime Social Studio has you covered. You'll attract more followers, capture more leads, and look like a genius marketer in the process, all while saving time. For more information, visit chime.me